Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with PayPal OAuth in mobile app step by step clearly. To authenticate with PayPal OAuth in your mobile app, start by setting up a PayPal developer account. Visit the PayPal developer site and log in using your credentials. Create a new app in the dashboard to get your client ID and secret. Select the appropriate permissions based on your app's needs. After creating your app, navigate to the REST API credentials section. Here, you will find your client ID and secret for both sandbox and live environments. Next, decide which environment you'll be testing with. For initial development, the sandbox is in your mobile app. Integrate the PayPal SDK appropriate for your platform, either iOS or Android. Set up your project by adding the necessary dependencies for the PayPal SDK. Once the SDK is integrated, initiate the OAuth process in your app code. Use the client ID from the developer dashboard to request an access token. Send a post request to the PayPal OAuth token URL, including your client ID and secret. Make sure to include the required headers, such as content type, application/xwww formerly encoded. Handle the response to retrieve the access token. This access token will be used for subsequent API calls to PayPal. Store the access token securely within your app for future use. Implement functionality that allows users to log in or authorize payments using PayPal. Test the authentication flow thoroughly in the sandbox environment. Once testing is successful, switch to the live environment by using the live client ID and secret. Verify that all permissions and scopes are correctly configured during the switch. Ensure to document your authentication flow and any errors that may arise. Review PayPal's best practices for security to safeguard user credentials. After everything is in place, your mobile app will be fully set up for PayPal OAuth authentication. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.